Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet, and today is Sunday. I don't know what today is. It's Sunday. And today is a really special video because today is another pattern release from my good friend Anita at y.o.h.crochet. Anita came out with the Rockstar Bear last week, remember? And tomorrow, I have a video, I'll have it linked below. Tomorrow I pick a winner from the comments for a free pattern sponsored by Anita. She's giving away a free pattern for all of the testers to give a free pattern away. So that video will be coming out tomorrow, and that is for the Rockstar Bear. Well, the Rockstar Bear put a little whisper in Anita's head and said, you need to make another bear. So she did. Now this bear is, you guys are going to love it. And I'm going to reposition my camera to show you the Ballard Bear. So hold on just one sec. So here we go. Here is the Ballard Bear. Now, I hope that you recognize that the Ballard Bear is obviously an alien. She's got the alien oval eyes and the green skin and the antennas. And if you know anything about a Ballard bear, a Ballard alien bear, hold on just one second. You know, they have to, I created it based on the pattern by Anita, and she is so frigging adorable. And I set her up on the desk waiting for the pattern to be released, and the next thing you know, she has a coffee cup that she insists is filled with coffee, or water sometimes she says. But it's a Starbucks cup, so it might be coffee with a lot of cream, you just never know. Or it might be beer, who knows. She also manifested an abundance of black sparkle yarn that she says she doesn't know how she'll ever get rid of. But she started, whoops, here's her hook. Come on, Miss Ballard Bear. What are you doing? You dropped your crochet? Oh, sorry to hear that. Well, let's hook you up. I know you're having a hard time, huh? Okay, here you go. I know you're telling me that it's water in that bottle. I don't believe you. But she has her black sparkle yarn. Oops, there she goes again, dropping that crochet hook. Like I said, may not necessarily be water or coffee in that cup. I know that other testers found that there's Jen from Froggy Winna Knitting. Her bear came with a beer stein. I don't know where she got that from. And Lynn Cremo, her bear, has a sign that says, I'm fine, damn it. So they just manufacture these things all on their own. They're very magical, these Ballard bears. And if you are, the pattern is adorable. I mean, you just gotta love her. And there's no mistakes in the pattern. And she goes together very easily, very quickly. I just can't say enough about it. And if you haven't figured out that the Ballard Bear is designed after my mentor, my tutor, my very good friend, Madonna Ballard, you must either be new to YouTube or living under a rock. But I'm sure that Madonna is going to love this little guy, or gal, I guess I should say, this little lady. I totally love her, and I'm so glad that she's in my amigurumi stash now. Anita has also volunteered to sponsor us with a free pattern for the Ballard Bear. So again, if you would like the free pattern for the Ballard Bear, oh, let me show you. So I got her sitting up, and oh, there goes the crochet hook. Maybe Anita will come up with patterns for accessories for the Ballard Bear. So she does have cute little antenna and her little eyes. See, I rearranged and rearranged, and now my camera's all screwed up. Hold on, let's fix this. Okay, that's a little better. So anyway, now we can see her whole body, and her antennas and her feet have like toes that come up. And she's got a little tail on the butt. So cute. So maybe Anita can come up with patterns of accessories to go with the Ballard Bear. So if you don't know Madonna Ballard, I will link her video, a video of hers in the description box below. If you would like to win a pattern for the Ballard Bear, just write the word Madonna in the description box below. And I will give you 1 week. If you have, put the name in there next Sunday or Monday, you know, when I get back from the camper, I will draw a name and that person will win the Ballard Bear. And you'll be glad to have them. And if they are both, all of Anita's patterns are available on Ravelry. I will link Anita's channel. I know she has her Etsy shop listed in all of her YouTube videos. If you don't know Anita, please go be a friend of hers and subscribe to her channel. I think this now is, oh goodness, the 5th or 6th pattern that she's designed. And they're all wonderful. I totally love them. I have all of them on my shelf. So I can't wait to see what the next one will be that she comes up with. Maybe it will be some kind of elephant someday. I hope. Carrie, the Yarny Elephant, and I both hope and pray. So, oh, excuse me. So anyway, put the name Madonna in the description box if you would, excuse me, like a chance to win the Ballard Bear pattern. Oh, what did I use? Real quick. I'm sorry, I forgot. I used, I left my water bottle downstairs. This green is a Hirschner's Worsted 8 that I got, and it was scrap yarn left over from another project. And this was gifted to me by Linda, just a crochet sister. So thank you, Linda. This has been used in several products. And the white is Just Yarn from Dollar Tree. It's Premier Yarn. I knew I wouldn't need that much, so I just had some of these little white skeins running around, and I just did that. And the black, which I hadn't thought of it at the time, but wouldn't black sparkle have been really cute? Didn't think of it. I forgot I had it, actually. It was hidden away, and I didn't think of it until after she was already made, so I wasn't going back, right? Okay, so that's everything. Really cute, fast make. It's a real fast make. I did it in like two evenings, and so you can do it too. I've learned mostly, this is just, you know, by the way, to add to, but I learned mostly how to read amigurumi patterns and how to make amigurumis, mostly from making Anita's patterns. Hers was the first pattern, when I did the JoJo bee, that was the first pattern that I ever, first amigurumi pattern that I ever read and made by myself. And it was a breeze. She is a very, you know, very, very easy to read, easy to follow patterns, even for someone that's never done it before. So try it. Okay. See ya. Bye.